Bianca Baker with more science news you can use. Why does a kernel of popcorn go from this to this? Why is that? Heat energy makes things expand and change from one form to another, like turning water into steam. Well, that's what happens to popcorn too. Heat goes past this hard shell into the middle of the kernel, which contains a little bit of water. As the water gets hot, it changes into steam and expands inside the kernel until there's no more room and the kernel explodes, turning into this. And it's ever so good. Well, until next time, I'm Bianca Baker with more science news you can use.